wants those treats? Huh? Who wants them?
See if you can open it. See if you can open it.
Grab it. Come on.
See if you can open it.
Grab some treats.
Bag's open, Ginger.
Ginger, we got a treat.
Bag's open. See if she can get it.
Get it, Coco.
Get it. Can you get it? Can you get it? Get it. Get it. I think it's too long for her. Look! Look at what we got for you! Oh, she's so happy!
Yeah.
Guess what, Ginger?
She runs away with it. Ginger, now it's your turn.
Guess what we got? She's so confused.
She takes her time. She smells it. Grab it, Ginger.
It's too big. But she's licking it. Oh my god, she's so confused. Get it.
She'll be eating forever if she does at that pace.
She's a little bit slower.
All right.
She loves it.
Throw it out. Ginger, you like it?
She loves that.